You are going to love the 2026 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, starter type, motor generator, power brakes, regenerative braking system, rear fog light. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.